and Sarah are going to draw a kitten.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. And we're going to do it in the pixel art style. So we're also using this pixel grid guide that parents and teachers, you can download from the link below this video. You ready to start?
Yes.
You can draw right on this paper once you print it out, or we're going to put our marker paper on top of it and see how the grid still shows through. Then at the end of the video, we can remove the grid so all you see is the picture. Let's flip over our paper with the grid, and we're going to line up the grid on our paper, the center of our paper, and then we're going to tape it down so that it doesn't move when we're drawing. Now we can flip our paper back over and we're ready to draw. We're using our Art for Kids hub markers, and if you have the same set and want to use the same colors, we're using 94. This is a dark brown. But you could also use a different brand or even something like colored pencils or crayons and just match our same colors. Let's start down here at the bottom, and we're going to count over 3 pixels and leave those 3 pixels blank. Then we're going to color in the next pixel. I'm going to trace around it and then color it in solid. Then we're going to count over 3 pixels and color those in. So we should have a total of 4 squares that are colored in. We're starting at the bottom, so this is our kitten's feet on the left side. Then we'll leave a pixel blank and color in another 4 squares. So I'm going to trace all the way over and then back, and then color those in solid. Then let's color in the pixel right above the space. So this little square, we'll color that one in. And then on the left side of this pixel, we'll go up 1 over 1. And then we'll go down 2. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Up 1, over, and down 2. Then we can color those 4 pixels in. Then we'll start over here on the left side. We'll go in 1 pixel, and then we're going to count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's go over 1 and then back down all the way to connect to the feet at the bottom. And then we'll color those pixels in. Then at the very top, let's go over, down, and back in for 1 pixel. Now let's repeat that same thing over here on this side, but facing the other direction. So we'll start on the right side, go in 1 pixel, then count up 5. And we could even draw this extra pixel in over here. So let's go over 2, down 1, then go back in 1, and then connect all the way down to the bottom. Let's color that in now. That's for the front 2 legs. Now let's color the back 2 legs. So right here, we'll go up 2, out 1. Yeah. And then we're going to go down 2 and back in 1. Then right here on this side, on the inside, we'll go up 1. And then we'll connect to the front legs. And then we're going to come back down here and then connect there. So let's color in these 2 pixels here and then this one up here. We want to make sure we leave those 2 white. Okay, now let's draw those same 3 pixels over here. So we'll start with the 2. I'm going to go a little faster since we're just repeating the same steps. So yeah, 2, there you go, and then back in. And then we'll do this 1 pixel right here. Okay, now let's color those in. While we're here, let's also add the tail. I'm going to draw around this pixel that's diagonal. Then I'm going to do another pixel that's diagonal and up. We have the body and also the tail. Now let's do the face. We're going to start here and draw around this pixel that's diagonal from the body. And then let's do another one that's also diagonal from that one, kind of like we did for the tail. Let's repeat those same 2 pixels over here on this side so that it's symmetrical. And then we can also color these pixels in. Next, let's skip a pixel and then trace around this one that's directly up. Yeah, let's do the same thing over here. Skip 1 square and then trace around the next one. We can color those two in. Okay, now let's draw the ears. We're going to start on the inside of this pixel, and we'll count up 4 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's go over or in 2 pixels, down 1, back in, and then we're going to go down and connect into the bottom. So we should.
I went out.
Oh, that's okay. We're going to do that too. So from here, go in and then down to there. That's okay. We're going to actually color that one in too. There you go. And then connect in. Perfect. Now right here, let's do what you did, and we're going to trace around this pixel. I told you, there's no mistakes. It's okay. We could even. Now we're going to do that same shape over here for the other ear. So we'll go up 4 pixels. Then we'll go over 2. And it should match the other ear. And then we'll go down, and then back in, or out. And then we'll go down again, and then connect. We got that upside down L shape. And then let's do that one diagonal pixel right here. Then at the bottom of this pixel, we'll connect over to the other pixel. And that should be 3 in the middle. So 3 squares in between the ears. So we'll go down 1, over 3, and then back up. Now let's color in all of those shapes. There's the outside shape of our little kitten, and it's looking really cute, don't you think?
Yeah.
Let's keep going, and we got to add all the details. We're using our black marker next, and let's add whiskers. I'm going to draw a line right here, and then we're going to go out 2 pixels, and then down 1, and then back in 2. Then let's do the same thing over here on this side. We'll connect here, go out 2, up, and then back in 2. Let's color in those shapes. Then let's add another whisker lower. So we can start here in this corner, and then we'll draw out 2 pixels, down 1, and then back in 2. Then we can color that in too. Oh, and let's repeat that same shape over here on this side. We'll start in the corner, go out 2, down, back in 2, and then color that in. Now let's draw the eyes. We'll start right here on this corner, go up 2, then we'll go into, down 2, and then connect to where we started. Yeah, let's do the same thing on the right side. Up 2, in, down, and then connect back where we started. Cute big eyes.
Yes.
Let's color those in. Now we're switching to our pink 88, and let's color in this middle pixel in between the eyes. This is for the nose. You could also color 2 pixels below the cheeks or below the eyes for the cheeks. You could also even add a bow, maybe even a collar. You could add a lot of things to your cat. Now let's also add pink to the ears. We can start at the bottom of the ear, come in 1 square, then up 2, and then back out 1. Let's do the same thing over here. In, up 2, back out. Then let's color in those 2 pixels on each side. Next, we're using our 23 orange to color our cat, and you could change your cat any color you want. You don't have to do the same as us. Let's start here and give our cat a little white nose, though. I'm going to start halfway on the eye, and we'll just draw a line right there, and also on the other side. Then we'll connect the cat across the eyes here. Oh, let's do it. Let's actually do it right over the nose. Then let's color everything above that line and also the cheeks. Oh, before we go too far up, let's give our little cat some stripes. I'm going to just do 1 little stripe here and 1 little stripe here. That's a fun thing. You can change and add patches. You can also add spots. You can do anything you want. All right, let's keep coloring. Now let's draw a line right under our little kitten's chin. Then let's also give our little kitten white paws. So I'm going to draw a line there, 1 pixel up on all of the feet. Okay, now let's color in the top pixel on both of the back legs, and then we'll color above these 2 lines and below the neck. Hadley, we did it. We finished drawing our kitten. Now let's flip over our paper and take off the grid. And then when we flip our paper over, we're completely finished. You can't see the grid, just the drawing, and it turned out so cute.
Yeah, this is my new favorite lesson.
I think it's mine too. What should we draw next?
A bird.
Oh, a bird, or even a puppy. That would be really cute.
Oh yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a pixel art kitten.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.